Every once in a while, I'll get asked if cracking your knuckles or cracking your joints is bad for you, whether it can cause arthritis or something like that. I know this is a common old wives' tale that people would say, don't crack your knuckles, it can cause arthritis or it'll lead to arthritis. Well, they actually have done a few studies on this, and there does not appear to be any correlation between cracking your knuckles or cracking your joints and having arthritis. They looked at a population of self proclaimed knuckle crackers and then a population of people who did not crack their knuckles over a period of time, and they did not see any higher risk or higher rate of arthritis in the group that did crack their knuckles. So if you enjoy doing that kind of thing, go ahead and do it.